Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix having a lock symbol on your games on your PlayStation 4. So this is happening because of a couple of different reasons. Like the first, your licenses are bad for the game if you bought something through the PlayStation Store. Or maybe you're trying to play the game and you currently don't have an internet connection and you need to set your PlayStation 4 in the future as primary. So you got to look at three different things. You got to make sure that you're connected to the internet and everything is working on here. Just go to test internet connection and make sure you are connecting to the PlayStation network. And if you aren't, restart your router and you can see if the PlayStation network is down to, it says it on there, it looks like it's successful. Otherwise, you can go to view status of PlayStation network. If this is down and you don't have your PlayStation 4 set as primary, your games are going to be locked by default. Looks like things are running and we are good to go on that end. So we know it's not the internet. Now we want to go up to where it says account and management. Select this and then go down to where it says activate as your primary PS4. This will allow you to play games offline in the future, and just go to where it says activate, and sometimes this fixes the issue as well. So we can go back after activating as a PlayStation 4, and this will also allow you to share PlayStation Plus and your games with every other account on your PlayStation. So if you got multiple users in the house, they have access to your games and PlayStation Plus, which is great. Now this is the thing that probably is going to be the issue for most people: restore licenses. So if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring the licenses. So just hit restore right there and it's going to download all these licenses. So maybe I don't have too much. I only have like Call of Duty on my account, but as you can see, I'm going to re-download 1,225 licenses. So I thought I would only have 2. So just wait for this to finish and then you should be good to go. And the last thing you can try, if you go up to where it says sign out, you can log out of your account by signing out, and then you have to retype in your email address and password. I noticed that can fix some issues too, sometimes with trophies as well, just signing out and signing back in. So look at those 3 or 4 different options and you guys should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Studios.